Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to run OctoPrint, a web UI to control your 3D printer in Docker. To begin, connect to the device where we're going to install Docker. We'll start by using apt-install to install a few prerequisite packages required to run Docker. Then we'll add the Docker gnupg key and apt repository. Next, we'll use apt-install to install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll make sure the Docker service is started and enabled. Add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. We're now ready to start running containers. We'll start by creating a working directory for the OctoPrint container to use. Then we'll set ownership of the new working directory structure and set the permissions so the Docker container can write to it. Then using the docker run command, we'll create our OctoPrint container. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, :8041. Once the welcome screen loads, click Next. Click Next on the Restore Backup screen. Complete the form to create an administrator account by entering a username and password. Click the Create Account button, followed by clicking Next. Choose if you'd like to enable or disable the online connectivity check, then click Next. Choose if you'd like to enable or disable the anonymous usage tracking, then click Next. Choose if you'd like to enable the plugin blacklist processing, then click Next. Click Next on the classic webcam wizard, default printer profile, and server command screens. On the Finish screen, make sure to check the I have read and understood this boxes, then click Finish. Welcome to OctoPrint, running containerized in Docker.